What are we doing? Huh? Are we changing out the computer today? Hey, we're changing out the computer?
And that's what we're going to do. We're putting in the Maximus XI Formula. 9900K. We're finally starting to upgrade on this. Don't think I'm going to get to the graphics cards as I've got kind of a tight schedule, but we are going to see what we can get done.
I'm going to stop right there for a second. That's why I built in these little pressure relief valves. Those make draining the system so simple. All I have to do is open up the my drain valve, press and hold the pressure release valves, and it lets the air come in, pushes the water, or pushes the air through the system, which forces the water out of the system and makes draining very simple. So for unknown reasons, Asus has decided to change the height of the VRM cooler. So now it makes it impossible, even with an extender, because I've tried, to line up the CPU out into the EK water block VRM cooler on the motherboard. What the hell, Asus? I mean, seriously. Pretty rare that on first bend try it fits perfectly. That's why they say measure twice, and bend once. Well, I don't know, I guess I bent twice. Whatever. Here it is, Maximus XI Formula and 9900K installed. Had a couple hiccups along the way, but at least we got the system on. Next thing I'm going to do is make sure that we are able to post BIOS, which we should because I've tested the motherboard already. And then we're going to get it overclocked and that kind of fun stuff in the future here. Yes, I know the fluids aren't even yet. I'm just letting all the air work its way out, and I'll top off the reservoirs. Don't worry. Like how this bend turned out. I've never had like a one-time bend work as quickly as that did, so that was awesome. I did have a little snafu with this whole reservoir pump combo. All of a sudden I started leaking fluid at the bottom, so I had to strip everything out and fix it, but that's because I didn't check my fittings and my bottom D5 was loose. So fix that, and other than that, everything seems to look really good. I do have to get the water blocks installed on the graphics cards, and then I'll get those in, but I do have to order another set of cables, as the ones I thought I ordered were for a different system. So glad I didn't tear that apart today. Anyway, need a name, still need some help, so please let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll see you next week. Thanks.